about how many creative ideas or ways in this a Coke thing could be used. It could be in a movie as well. And when you look at it and you focus on it, give yourself some time off, switch off from social media, switch off from Facebook, spend some time with a Coke. Maybe if you go to a park, or maybe you just sit in a coffee shop, or maybe you sit in a library and you think about it, you're going to kind of be able to have some amazing ideas. Say, for example, I've had one. Maybe this font can work as um, maybe the next font of the book somebody's writing or I could write. This could be an advertising campaign headline, the color scheme and everything. There's so many things to do with this. So the point is this, that if you really want to kind of stay creative, you have to think differently and kind of connect with yourself differently, and that can only happen if you give yourself new exposures and new experiences. It can be a little exhausting that you've had a great and a long week, and then you go to a studio and you have to play music, or you have to be in a storytelling shop, or you have to do a recording, or you have to kind of make a presentation or whatever. But the point is, when you have like-minded people there, whatever you may be feeling, the best is for sure going to come out of that. When you come back, you're definitely going to come back with 10 more ideas and stuff and something new to talk about and all that, okay? So this is the way it works, and keep yourself light, keep yourself happy, and get into these habits of kind of taking a break and thinking about new stuff and stretching the boundaries of your mind and stuff. Yeah, so love and luck and take care. Happy New Year, and wishing everybody a great start. Hope you got your resolutions and everything in place and all that. I've got mine, and friends and family, thank you so much for praying for me. I had a little bit of a thingy in the weather and stuff. I am feeling good and great, as you can see, but then, this is not like a robo body. It's getting affected by the weather and stuff. So in case it's happening to you and your loved ones, do visit a doctor, but keep your creative and your brain side going, and try and connect with people with whom you enjoy working, enjoy speaking, and anybody who's kind of reminding you of the negative or getting you into some angry situations and stuff like that. Do away with those, okay? So love and luck and take and have fun and have a blast, and cheers, and Hakuna Matata. Enjoy yourself. Bye bye.